The RAY5 Laser Engraver boasts an impressive 20,000 milliwatts laser output, making it a powerful tool for cutting through materials like plywood, pine board, and acrylic with ease. Equipped with a cutting-edge 32-bit motherboard, the engraver ensures smooth and stable operation while delivering highly detailed engravings with its ultra-fine laser focus area. Its user-friendly 3.5-inch color touchscreen allows for straightforward control and monitoring of engraving progress and settings adjustments. The engraver supports 4 connection methods, including USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and a dedicated app, offering flexibility and compatibility with professional software like LaserGRBL and LightBurn. Designed for efficiency, the RAY5 can control multiple machines from one computer, making it ideal for commercial use and enhancing productivity in professional environments. Assembling the RAY5 is straightforward with the provided tools and guidance, and Longer offers lifetime technical support and responsive customer service for peace of mind.